Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the Human Resource Management course. The next part we are going to learn is about the selection process, evaluating the selection results. See, the different techniques are used for evaluating the selection results. Basically, immediate evaluation, follow-up evaluation. Immediate evaluation means directly, see, then and there itself the rejection of the candidate will be done. For example, it is if there are 4 rounds, if the student is not if the student doesn't crack the technical interview, then he'll be rejected there itself. If the candidate doesn't score the appropriate marks in any of the aptitude tests, he'll be paused over there. So follow-up evaluation means use the performance appraisal data to see the performance of the new employees in the first year. The next is about the decision making. How the decision making will be done? First, decide which candidate to select based on the results of the test as well as the interview, right? See, basically the interview as well as test will be given. See, based on that, for example, in a technical interview, if a person is good in coding but if he is not good in theory, then you can get to know this student has cleared all the coding questions but haven't cleared the MCQ part. Next, consult the line managers on the candidates which is being selected. Send the notice to the candidates which is being selected, right? See, once the selection process is done, once the job offer, once they need to allot the job offer letter to them, they need to send that notice to the particular candidates. Inform the line managers to prepare for the orientation and training for the new employees, right? Guys, the next we are going to learn about, see, till now we learned about all the requirements process, the selection process, and the last part of the chapter 2, that is the difference between the requirement as well as the selection. So requirement means basically it is a positive process, this is a negative process. Basically it is attracting the people mainly to apply for the job. So selection means basically it is picking up the right candidates from a pool of applicants. So this is about this one. So basically in this we learn about define the term selection and explain the selection process, and the different process of interviews also we learn, and the different types of selection tests we have learned. So write a note on evaluation of the selection process, how it is going to take place, the barriers of selection process we have learned. The next part is about the induction. So induction means it is also called as a orientation, right? Orientation basically is a schematic as well as the planned introduction of the employees to their jobs, basically their co-workers and the organizations. And what is the main purpose of orientation? See, as we know that in any companies, the orientation will be done, the seminars will be done, the workshops will be done. So if the orientation is done, what are the advantages? First, it will reduce the startup cost associated with job learning. It will reduce the anxiety. See, the anxiety, the consciousness of both the employee as well as the candidate will be reduced. It will save the time for the supervisor as well as the colleagues. See, instead of saying the repeated information to each and every employee, so if all the employees are brought together in one seminar and if the proper orientation is done to them, it will save the time also. Next, to develop the realistic job expectations and the job satisfactions, and basically it will accelerate the proficiency will be given, so it will increase the efficiency. Next, enhance the adjustment to work the groups as well as the norms. Encourage the positive attitude. The positive attitude will be formed with all the candidates as well as the HR. Know the terms as well as conditions of the employment. It helps a new employee to know the job. It contains the policies, rules, and the regulations. It will help a new employee to know the people with whom he is supposed to interact. Basically, he gets to know with whom he is going to interact with. Next, what are the different steps in the induction program? See, even whenever we join to the new college, first 14 days the induction program will be done, right? So first it is first. See, as we know that as a candidate or say an employee will be very happy whenever we get the first job. So what are the steps? First, welcome to the organization. Organization welcome notice will be given. Next, they'll explain about the company. What is about our company? What are the policies? What are rules and regulations? Next, they will show the location, department, and where the new record will work. Next, they'll give the company's manual to the new record. They'll provide the details about the various work groups. Give the details about the pay, benefits, holidays, leaves, etc. Right? It will be given. Emphasizes the importance of attendance or the punctuality. See the importance of attendance, right? So they cannot see as we are whenever we are working in a corporate company or multinational companies, so weekends will be a holiday. So apart from that, the sick leaves will be given, the casual leaves will be given. Next, explain about the future training opportunity and career prospects. Next, it will clarify the doubts by encouraging the employees to come out with the questions. The next, what are the contents of the induction program? What will be the content? Basically, same thing we have learned. First, the name of the company, the history of the company, the employees title, department, so layout of the physical facilities. What are the basically this one is very, very important. So the company, the what are the different products and the services it is going to provide, overview of the production process, company policies as well as the rules, disciplinary procedures, safety steps, employment handbook. Basically what the employee is going to do all. Next, whenever we join the company, see the first the job description, job specialization, at last what are the benefits of the employee if they join to the company. So first, pay scales as well as the pay days will be given, the vacations, holidays will be given for the employee, the rest process, training avenues, counseling will be given, insurance. This is very, very important. Insurance, car insurance, health insurance, medical insurance, recreation, retirement benefits whenever they are going to retire from their job. So what are the benefits for them? Is there any pension given to the candidate? All. Next, job duties. The duties with respect to job. Basically, the location of the job, the task of a job, the safety needs, overview of the job, what are the objectives of a job. This one. The next it is the orientation programs. See, till now we learn the workshops will be done, the orientation programs will be done, the counseling will be done. Orientation program means basically encourage the communication and a sense of importance by inviting the new employees to have a coffee or lunch with the company owner or the senior manager. See, see the company should also make sure that a healthy, a friendly competition, right? Friendly conversation or friendly relationship should be maintained between the manager as well as the candidate, so that even this candidate will also will be having some free time to work, free time to talk or chit chat with the manager. Encourage the new employees to sample the product and other service that the company sells. Reduce the stress of starting a new job by pairing the new employees with a buddy, right? So what are the different problems of orientation? See, too much paperwork will be given, right? High cost to the company. See, if they needs to organize the organization, they need to give the they need to give the high salary to the people who are going to talk about that. Information will be overloaded, too much selling of the organization, too much one-way communication, and it is difficult for the employee to relate. So these are the different problems of orientation. So this is about the requirement as well as the selection of the human resource management. I hope guys this video is quite informative for you. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a good night. So thank you one and all. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.